Hey everyone, welcome back. A Matchbox off-road rally continues some new decos and some reissues. Should be showing up in Walmart and some international retailers in May. So our first car is a 2016 Chevy Colorado Extreme. A Jeep 4x4. A 1990 Volkswagen Golf Country. A 1976 Scout 4x4. A 1968 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. A Rich Rider. Now let's check out a recent release model by Matchbox. Has a basics, H-case, Mix 8. Our first car is a 2022 Opel Astra. A 2021 Cadillac CT5e. A 2019 McLaren 918 Spider. A Morgan Plus 4. A Tangiers Tuk Tuk. A 1980 AMC Eagle. A 2022 Infiniti QX80. A Tesla Roadster. Now let's check out the all-new upcoming 8-pack set by Matchbox as a mix 1. So check out a sneak peek of these lineups. Now let's check out new upcoming 9-pack set by Matchbox. The exclusive car in this sets are a MGB GT and an International Workstar Ambulance. Now let's check out new upcoming working rigs as a mix 3. So our first truck is a Pierce Quantum aerial ladder truck. Our International Durastar 4400. a International Workster 7200 drum truck, a GMCC 8500 top cake tree trimming truck, Now let's check out some new upcoming models by Matchbox from various lines. So check out a sneak peek of this complete lineups. From moving parts, collector series, basics, exclusive sets, and many more. So collectors, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. See you next time and stay tuned for more.